It's with great enthusiasm that I have a special real estate breaking news announcement here at the Sarasota Quay in downtown Sarasota. I'm Lee Merman. In 2001, we had a seminal event in the real estate market here in Sarasota, the Ritz-Carlton Sarasota. The first luxury hotel in our community opened with a condominium above it. That was the continuation or the fulfillment of a vision established by John Ringling more than a century earlier. Now, a generation removed from that, we are about to have the fifth Ritz-Carlton go up here in Sarasota. It's not your parents' Ritz-Carlton, it's a new generation that began in 2021 with the Ritz-Carlton behind me over here. We're going to see that fifth Ritz-Carlton, a contemporary, hip, fun building established right here at the Quay in downtown Sarasota. For more information and to get on the list today, give me a call.